Are you sure this is okay?
You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay?
All right.
Alrighty, guys. So, when we went to the South Florida drone meet, Mr. Oz, Sean Oz, said that this thing keeps wind out, so I had an idea. I wanted to take a ride on the motorcycle with this on at 50 or 60 miles an hour and see how much it picks up my bike and how much it picks up wind noise. I'd love to get a great sound from my bike without all the wind noise. However, 60 miles an hour is pretty fast. This thing's made of some interesting material, but I'm only give this a shot. So now that the bike's running good and we got it well tuned, let's take it out. We're gonna slap this on there, and there you go. That's what that looks like with the wind muff on there. So let's go take it for a ride on the Harley, see how it does. Okie dokie, guys. I've got her all ready to go here. Let's see how much this this camera with this noise thing, my wind cutter, cuts out. Let's put her in gear here. Running good. Now I see a lot of dark clouds going that way, so I think actually what I'm going to do is pull out this way. We'll jump on the road, we'll go that way, come all the way back around. Just a quick ride because otherwise I'm going to get really wet. Bike. It has Harley's Vance and Hines exhaust system on it, so it's pretty loud. I'm hearing a lot of wind in my helmet, so that'll give me a good idea of what you guys are hearing. Look at all that, boy. Look at all that craziness coming in on us. Jeez, oh Pete, I just can't get a good day to ride, man. I just want to go ride. I cannot. I'm getting killed by the weather. This thing runs so much better. Difference this carburetor makes, man. This carburetor has so much more pull. bike is gnarly, man. You know, the funny thing is this bike isn't even like 50 horsepower. I think this bike comes in approximately at, I think they said stock it was like 42 horsepower. That's not a lot, but it's a torque monster because it's got all 500 cc's on one cylinder. It is just an absolute torque monster, man. It loves those mid-range and low RPMs. It's not really a top range bike, like it's not really a bike designed for like top speed. I mean, this can hit 98 miles an hour. They say stock it'll hit 98. Now how long it'll take to get up there, I have no idea, but I didn't buy it for speed. Well, I hope that was a good test. I hope you guys got what you were looking for from that. Let me open my garage door before I pull in here. There we go. Just gonna inch right on in there. Look at my truck tire's flat, damn it. Oh, I didn't even notice that. This bike sounds good. I got the idle set perfect. Everything's gravy. Let's go ahead and shut her off here. Turn off the fuel. And drop the kickstand. Yeah, she is running good, man. That carburetor change really made a difference in how this thing functions. Well, I hope that gave you guys a good idea of how this Muff thing works for the Hero 7, 8, and 9, or 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, I mean, it's a pretty loud bike. Like I said, it's got Vance and Hines exhaust on it, so it's got a header and Vance and Hines exhaust. It also has open filter, so the bike's a lot louder than it should be. So yeah, good times. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm not gonna ride very far just because this weather is crazy. It just keeps coming and going and coming and going. It just got dark. I just left it was sunny, now it's all dark and looks like it wants to pour again. So let's get this video up for you guys and see you in a minute.
So awesome! It's like a dream! It's like a dream!